Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Naomi. If this is your first time seeing this gorgeous girl, you're welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by again. I really do appreciate you. Okay. Right. So today's video is highly requested. And it's kind of like a continuation from my last video, I guess. So I filmed a relaxed hair routine on my last video, and the final result was pretty bomb. At the end of that video, you all saw these curls and you guys were, let us see. I asked if you all wanted to see, and a few people commented that they would like to see a video on how I achieved the curls. So here you go. Thank you so much for always, supporting me and commenting on my video. It means a lot to me. So yeah, I'm going to leave you guys to just watch the video while you listen to a a very funny sound I found on Instagram, and maybe I'll just come right at the end to sign out with you guys. Okay. Let me know in the comment section if you've ever come across this audio on Instagram, because what? Jide Jaido is a bastard. Excuse me. I don't mean to curse on this channel, but what the actual fuck? Like, really, you guys? Every time I hear this sound on Instagram, I'm always like, wow. Men, sha. Ah, they will show you Pepe, eh?
Wow.
Sufia Kwa. But hey, I've never and I will never meet such men in my life in the name of Jesus. In fact, it's a serious prayer, because what? Anyway, that's by the wayside. You guys, look at my hair. Oh my god, the curls are curling. Everything's looking nice. It's the volume for me, I tell you. Like, look at that body volume. I mean, basically, I carried these curls for about a day or two, and yeah, I didn't have the curls again. I think by the end of the day two, but my hair was still like wavy and all nice. So I really enjoyed it. I think I will try this curls again. Maybe I'll add mousse to my hair. Hopefully it might just be better if I use a more smaller straightener, I think. But other than that, I love the result. I think it's cute. Let me know in the comments if you'll be trying this out, and yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Okay, bye bye.